Hello, my name is Phoebe. I'm a Hridaya teacher, and soon I'll be offering a workshop called Making Love, a journey through self-inquiry to essentially unravel self-love, the essence of who we are. We'll be journeying through meditation practices, hatha yoga, some profound teachings of Ramana Maharshi, the spiritual heart, also Sage Patanjali, to support us on this journey and unlock the ways in which we're sabotaging ourselves actually and falling back again and again into tendencies, keeping us stuck in certain ways of being. And it's an invitation to go deep and be honest and take a look at these things within ourselves. If you're seeking for love in a partnership or seeking for love in many different ways, it's to be found right here, right within us. And the invitation would be to join us if you're single, if you're in a partnership. Everyone is welcome, as long as there's an availability and a willingness to open to love and to open the heart again and again, no matter what shows up, what the circumstances, meeting ourselves in presence over and over again. So if any of this feels alive for you and there's a longing to open more, to be more in connection and intimacy with ourselves, and then watch how life beautifully unravels from that space, please come and join us.